If you're getting a Steam purchase error or a fatal error while trying to buy something on Steam, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help you check for stuck transactions, clear failed purchases, and try the right next steps to complete your payment. This is a quick tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if Steam is refusing to process your order. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Steam, look to the top right corner and click on your profile name. From the menu that appears, click Account Details. This will take you to the section where you can manage your Steam account and view important purchase information. Now, on the Account Details page, click View Purchase History. This is one of the most important steps because it lets you check whether there are any pending, failed, or stuck transactions on your account. Sometimes a purchase error happens because Steam still thinks an earlier transaction is incomplete. If you see anything that looks failed, processing, or pending for too long, make a note of it and cancel the stuck purchase if Steam gives you the option. After checking your purchase history, go back to the store and try making the purchase again. In many cases, simply clearing out a failed or stuck transaction can fix the issue right away. If the error still shows up, try using a different payment method. For example, if your card didn't work, you can try another card, PayPal, or another supported payment option, depending on your region. Payment method issues are very common, and switching methods can often get around the error instantly. If that still doesn't work, wait a little while and try again later. Sometimes this type of Steam purchase problem is caused by temporary server issues, payment processing delays, or account verification hiccups. Steam can occasionally have short outages or back-end issues that interfere with purchases, and trying again later can resolve it without any changes on your side. Also, make sure your payment details are correct, your billing information matches your payment provider, and your internet connection is stable. Even small issues like an outdated card address or a weak connection can cause a purchase to fail. If you're using the Steam mobile app or browser version, it can also help to switch devices and try again from the desktop app. So to recap, the main fix is to open Steam, go to your profile, open account details, check view purchase history, cancel any stuck or failed purchase, then return to the store and try again. If needed, use a different payment method or wait and retry later. This simple process solves a lot of Steam purchase errors, especially when the issue is related to a failed or pending transaction. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials, fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.